In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files on OneDrive with external users. If you need to send a document, spreadsheet, or other file to someone outside your organization, OneDrive makes that process simple. The main advantage of sharing through OneDrive is that you can give access to the file without having to download it and attach it manually to an email. It also helps keep everyone working from the same version. To begin, open OneDrive and go to the area. This is where your stored files and folders are displayed. If you have a lot of content in your account, take a moment to locate the exact file you want to share. It's a good idea to double check that you're selecting the correct file before sending access to anyone outside your organization. Once you've found the file, move your cursor over it. As you hover, you'll see additional options appear. Look for the share icon and click it. This opens the sharing panel, which is where you control who can access the file. Hovering over the file first is important because some of the quick actions, including sharing, may only appear when the file is selected or highlighted. After the sharing window opens, enter the recipient's email address in the field provided. Make sure the email address is typed correctly, since this is how OneDrive will know who should receive access. If the address is wrong, the intended person may not get the file, or access could be sent to the wrong contact. Taking an extra second here can prevent confusion later. When the email address is entered, click Send. OneDrive will then send the sharing invitation directly to that external user. From there, they can use the link or invitation to open the file, depending on the sharing settings available in your environment. As a quick tip, before sending, it's always helpful to confirm that you're comfortable sharing that specific file externally. If the file contains private or internal only information, pause and make sure it's appropriate to send. Even though the sharing process is fast, it's worth being careful with permissions and file selection. And that's it. You've now shared a file on OneDrive with an external user by going to My Files, hovering over the file, and selecting the share icon, then entering the recipient's email address and clicking Send. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.